Owner organizations executing engineering and construction projects have challenges in planning and tracking progress on projects. Key items they need to control include the schedule, costs, and documents. They also may need systems to support business process automation of project records, including change requests, construction RFIs, health, safety, and environmental observations and incidents, permitting, contract management, procurement, and more. On top of that, these projects are often led by contractors from multiple companies using many of their own tools to manage the projects. And to make it more interesting, owners often have many projects on the go at any one time, with different scopes, sizes, and sophistication to each. If you want to see some pain, ask the leadership of an owner organization what the status is on any of these projects or on all of them as a program. Western Principles sees this as a growing problem, and we can help you solve it. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. The solution to an owner's project and portfolio management challenges is not found in any single silo system. The traditional project and portfolio management system locks you into a single suite of products. These are proprietary and expensive. These were good 5 or 10 years ago, but now they're so 2010. Don't get locked into the past by one of these systems. Western Principles recommends a more adaptable and agile approach using a tightly integrated strategic portfolio management solution and a leading project management system. These provide an ongoing planning and execution feedback loop that helps drive strategic program selection and gives visibility to project progress and their contribution to programs. One key strength of this system for engineering and construction projects is that the solution is adaptable to work with other project management systems. UMT360 enables this with built-in adapters or the ability to easily integrate with other project management systems. Additionally, other available solutions can integrate schedules from other systems into Microsoft Project Online to even further extend capabilities. This allows you to create schedules in-house using Microsoft Project Online or other systems, and to also bring schedules in from contractors, either through integration or through the Universal Project File Standard that Microsoft has evolved. This solution checks all the boxes. It has a proposal intake scorecard and powerful portfolio analysis and selection engine, allowing you to pick the programs and projects that will have the best fit with your business strategy and the best chance of success. This drives better decisions, early elimination of projects that are doomed to fail, and increased return on investment on your better portfolio. The solution allows for top-down planning with a resource capacity planning engine that you can apply to estimate project needs even before you create a schedule. This simplifies your scenario planning and shortens analysis cycles. Your team can create their own schedules or import schedules from contractors. Contractors can also collaborate with your team through the document management and business process automation capabilities. This improves the ability to work together on projects, shortens delivery cycles, and reduces project costs. Built-in cost management tools allow your project teams to track financial dimensions like estimates, budget, incurred, forecast, and actuals, and to simplify month-end processes with your accountants on calculating accruals. Visibility of your costs and change requests increases the governance and reduces waste and overspending. Project status is captured in real time as the project management team does continual updates to the system. Progress, costs, risks, issues, business processes, and deliverables are all able to be tracked and reported automatically as part of the status reports flowing out of Power BI. Real-time status reports improve the ability for PMs, the PMO, and project executives to make better decisions faster. Short-term resource assignments and allocations are visible through various interfaces and reports in the solution. Resources can include people, equipment, and facilities. With this solution, it's easy to find skilled people who are available to be part of your project team, and similarly to resolve over and under allocations. This helps you optimize the use of your most important resources, your people. Automatic roll-ups of project and program status, costs, resource allocations, and other key performance indicators helps your management team stay informed about the real-time status of your portfolio, programs, and projects. This helps them make better decisions that drive projects forward to successful deliveries and better ROI from your entire portfolio. Let's dig into these two solutions, starting with UMT360. UMT360 helps you with both the top-down decisions and planning about what to do and who should do it, and also with the roll-up to look at how your programs and projects are progressing. UMT360 works across work management systems, supporting Microsoft Project Online and other scheduling systems. UMT360 has deep experience in the strategic portfolio management space across industries. The solutions focus on optimizing benefits, understanding costs and resource planning, and the interconnections of projects, programs, and portfolios throughout time helps customers make the right decisions about what work to take on and to get visibility to active projects, programs, and people. The process starts with proposal intake through a questionnaire, which allows you to gather information about the alignment with business strategy, proposal risks, and really any other factor you want. You model your project projecting the business benefits, both hard dollars and soft value propositions, the costs, and the resources needed to deliver on your project. You can do this top-down, thinking of a program which ultimately breaks into individual projects across your business, or as individual projects. With this, you can dynamically model the impact of your portfolio by creating scenarios, including active projects and new proposals from your backlog, adding them, removing them, and moving them around. Ultimately, from these scenarios, you'll select the projects you're going to do and the timing for them. At this point, you've got strategic alignment of your portfolio. From here, UMT360 pushes the projects out to work management systems. So here's where you take over with Microsoft Project and other scheduling systems to plan and execute the details of your projects. The business process continues from here. Project entities in your Microsoft Project schedule and other schedules roll up to your roadmaps in UMT360. With this, you can now see all of your projects together and how they are related together and progressing. This visibility provides your executives the ability to see what is happening and to make the business decisions they need so that they can drive enterprise success. UMT360 provides benefits realization management capabilities that you can use as each project completes. With UMT360, the planning cycle is a continuous process, driving agility and adaptability. Well, alright, that gives you a summary of what UMT360 brings. Let's look at how Microsoft Project Online contributes to driving project delivery success. Microsoft Project was one of the original scheduling engines, and it's evolved and improved consistently throughout its life. Schedules in Microsoft Project Online are stored centrally in a database, and are typically started through creating a new project from a template based on a defined project type. For example, your project type might be an engineering analysis, a small construction project, a large construction project, or a shutdown turnaround. The project site is a SharePoint site where team members can collaborate on project documents, lists, and other interactive elements. For example, this is where project team members might create and manage risks and issues or update status. This is initially created with a template, and from that, your project team can configure it to suit their needs. You can also surface access to live video feeds and other websites. Additional SharePoint add-ins can let you do things like team surveys and post-project calendars. Microsoft Project Online's project document controls come courtesy of its SharePoint heritage. SharePoint is a powerful records management system, providing all the things you should expect, including version control, check-in and out, metadata, powerful search, and more. You can define a folder structure as part of your site template so that you can reliably find and use documents on any project. Using Power Automate, you can easily create document review and approval flows. Also, documents can be viewed and used in their native format or in viewers from a variety of partners. Microsoft Project Online's document controls capability saves your project team time and money in getting to the documents they need fast. Microsoft Project is a leader in resource management. It has a variety of tools that a project manager can use to easily assign available and skilled people to tasks and to identify and fix over-allocations. For example, the resource assignment window lets the planner search across the enterprise for persons with the right skills and to easily add them to the team and tasks. Using Project's resource management, you can staff a project with the right people to get the project done faster and at a lower cost. Let's light up a few circles here. That'll speed up our tour a bit. The project risks and issues are full-featured and help you quickly identify which risks and issues need attention. As a bonus, these roll up through Microsoft Project Online to the out-of-the-box Power BI reports, so they provide project and portfolio visibility to the project management and project executive teams. Other features like change requests and lessons learned can be easily added with some simple configuration using lists as well. These can be further enhanced with the use of Power Apps and Power Automate to create custom forms and collaboration paths that will help you quickly tailor the project management solution to your needs. The final stop on our tour is manual and automated business processes. Every good system is a combination of people, processes, and technology. Western Principles can help you develop new processes that improve your project management maturity and capabilities. We can also help you create new business processes with Microsoft Project Online using the Microsoft Power Platform to create capabilities like HS&E observations and reports or tracking holdbacks. The automation and information centralization that Microsoft Project Online provides will help your project teams perform better and deliver projects on time, on budget, and on scope. Let's review. UMT360 and Microsoft Project Online combine to provide strategic portfolio management and standardized work management for owner organizations. With this solution, you have full end-to-end strategic program and project lifecycle governance and support for your engineering and construction projects. You get both support for top-down decisions and planning about what to do and who should do it, and the roll-up to look at how your programs and projects are progressing. The solution checks all the boxes and is configurable, adaptable, and extensible to meet your future needs as well. Western Principles understands project and program management. We're a UMT360 Gold partner and a Microsoft Gold PPM partner. We can help you with technical services, business process services, and training services for the implementation, configuration, customization, extension, integration, enhancement, and deployment of your strategic portfolio management solution. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.